All dogs cough periodically. They may cough simply to clear their throats. Dogs explore the world with their noses and mouths. So it is easy for dirt or unwanted materials to enter their nose or throat and cause coughing. The occasional cough could mean your dog's just clearing their throat. However, if they seem to be coughing a lot, it could be a sign of something more serious. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites can all cause coughing in infected dogs. These infectious agents can target the entire airway from the upper respiratory tract down into the lungs, causing several different conditions, such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Pneumonia causes wet cough in dogs. Kennel cough is the most common infectious cause of coughing. Sometimes, kennel cough in dogs can be caused by multiple different viruses or bacteria. Dogs with kennel cough tend to have a deep, dry cough along with sneezing, and in some cases vomiting. Contact with other dogs is the primary way to get the highly contagious viral or bacterial infection that causes kennel cough. Poisoning can also cause dogs to cough. Most of the time dogs get poisoned because they ingest chemicals or a food that is toxic to dogs. Poisoning is a medical emergency that requires emergency treatment. Dogs can also get the flu, but do not worry, it is not the same as humans. Though it is contagious between dogs, it is not transferable between humans. Your dog will need medication. Some vets also offer a flu vaccine. Heart diseases can also cause coughing in dogs. Heart disease causes coughing because the heart valves or muscle is not pumping blood properly, so fluid builds up in the lungs. Difficulty breathing, rapid breathing at rest, or trouble breathing when lying down can be a sign of heart disease. You can also use different cough medicines because it will help stop your dog's cough to help soothe his chest and throat. It does this by suppressing the cough center of your dog's brain to help stop him from coughing. Homeopet cough homeo drops naturally and safely help treat your dog's, cats, or other pets' coughing symptoms. It is fast-acting liquid that is simple and easy to use. You can put these drops directly into the mouth, in water or in dog meal. This medicine is safe, gentle and natural compared to other medication in the marketplace. It is safe to fight against wet or dry cough. So by using given method or products, you can easily stop coughing in dogs.